riders, so you joined me on a rather wet day in the UK. Just on the way to the Triumph factory in Hinckley for the factory tour, and I'm wearing my Roadskin Paranoid jeans. I've got a quick review on them. They are aimed at the winter market for riding jeans. They feel very substantial. I'm quite warm. I mean, it's 12 degrees and I'm comfortable. Claim to be water resistant. Not what they claim as waterproof, but water resistant. And obviously, there's a bit of drizzle at the minute, and seems to be coping okay. They do feel a bit more restrictive than the Easy Rider jeans. Obviously those are summer jeans. There's a lot more in terms of lining inside of these. I'm not expected to hand obviously for riding, but I'll dig them out later. I wouldn't be able to wear these all day long, I don't think. They feel a bit more restrictive to the Easy Rider jeans. But for half a day it'll be okay. If you're off a day on the bike, I suppose. But the Easy Rider jeans I can wear comfortably all day at work as well, even with the armour in. I couldn't do that with these. That's not really a bad point really. It's not really these fault. They're designed for colder temperatures, and with that they're perfect. So in terms of the fit on the Paranoid jeans, I've got my size 34 waist usually, and these are 34, fit me perfectly. I'm 5'10". I'm not sure of my inseam measurements. I'm wearing a size 34 regular, and these fit perfectly. Just to the bottom of my boots. Again, it's just below 12 degrees at the moment, and very comfortable. I don't think there'll be they feel like they'll probably be okay up to about to single digits, I'd say, temperature wise. I can get away with short rides between 5 and 10 degrees. I don't think they'd be warm enough for anything below that. Although if you wear some heated trousers underneath, then yeah, you'll be fine. Okay, my thoughts on the Roadskin Paranoid jeans after a day walking about and riding in them. Pretty good actually. At first I thought, I didn't think they'd be comfortable to wear all day long, but I've been to the Triumph factory visitor experience today. I did a factory tour, so I've been in them all day long now, and I'm comfortable. Yeah, I've been out in rain, warm, got a bit of warm sunshine earlier as well, and now it's gone cold again. Not quite sure what the temperature is. I'm guessing it's going to be about 10-11 degrees. Yeah, no, coat really well actually. I said the inside lining is pretty thick, but yeah, no, I've got used to it, to the feel of it. Alright, quite happy with it. Yeah, I'd happily wear these all day. I'm not sure I'd wear them all day at work like I do with my Easy Rider jeans, but these would be perfect on tour. They look nice as well. They're a good looking jean. They just look like an old pair of jeans. So yeah, very happy with them. They've got armour, shoulder armour, knee armour and hip armour. And unlike on the Easy Riders, these feel like they're in the right place. They're the knee armour is feels like it's protecting my knees, whereas on the Easy Riders it feels like it's too low down. These are the regular size, 34 regular. There's some motorcycle jeans can be uncomfortable on the bum area after a while, but no, these been fine. I've been in them all day and I've done quite a few miles in the saddle. And I've got my bottom's got no complaints. Okay, so wrapping up my review of the Roadskin Paranoid motorcycle jeans. They are fully lined. So I've been wearing them for 2 days on a trot now. Super comfortable. I was a bit concerned at first, I felt a bit restrictive, but they seem to be breaking in now, so yeah, they're perfect for a day like today. It's breezy, chilly in the air, but typical autumn day in England. I reckon with a pair of pair of heated trousers underneath, you could wear these most of the year round. They are shower proof, not waterproof, but yesterday I encountered a bit of rain and they didn't leak. So yeah, you're probably okay if it's a near shower, but I think they're priced at £159 at the minute. They got the AAA rated. As already mentioned, they got the hip armour and knee armour, and the knee armour feels really comfortable actually. It feels like it's sitting in the right place. The lining is okay. I was concerned it might be a bit irritating at first, but no, the concerns were unfounded. They're not irritating at all. They look good. They just look like an old pair of jeans. So I could probably wear these all day. Maybe not at work, I could come with these riders. On a day riding, it'll be okay. So yeah, you get a big thumbs up from me. So yeah, the Roadskin Paranoid get a big thumbs up from me. Now, let's do some twisters. Can't go too mad on it. These tyres on this bike don't inspire confidence. Wow, it's everywhere. Trees down everywhere. It's been so windy today.